Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn off background music in Replika application. To turn off the background music and enjoy the sounds-free experience on Replika, first of all open the Replika app on your mobile device and from the home page tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings option, scroll down and look for the background music and sounds option. Toggle off the button right next to background music and sounds and make sure that they look like this. After you do that, the toggle should turn gray or indicate it is off. Now you can exit the settings and then return to your chat with Replika. You should now enjoy your conversations without any background music. Turning off background music in Replika can help you focus better on your chat or simply enjoy a quieter experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.